guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can tell, I'm still not 100%. I would like to say I'm so sorry for my voice, but I have a brand new box that should have already been up. And if you don't know, I am talking about the Bijou beauty box. It comes in just a white, kind of like ABH box. I will let you know a little bit about this box. It is, I do the month-to-month box right now. Like I said, this is my first month getting it. This is for February. I will explain why it's late and not at all on my part. Anyway, back to the box. This is a $30 box. I paid $34.80 after taxes. And in this box, you get 5 products. They do have another box called the Little Mystery. And it is a 2 to 3 product box for $10. They bill you. You can pick when you want to pay for this box based on the fact that they bill you from the date that you sign up. So I signed up for this on the 7th of February. I won't be billed again until the 7th of March, which I find is okay. The negative parts about it I will talk about in a second. And then these boxes start shipping on the 15th. Now, I have caught a live with Bijou Beauty Box on Instagram. And as far as I'm aware, it is one person who puts these boxes together every month. I didn't stay the whole live, but I know she was at Starbucks getting a drink, headed back to start packaging boxes to get them out. Now, I signed up for this box with a code of a friend of mine here on YouTube also. Many of y'all might know him. His name is Lnegz. And if you use his code, which is Lnegz25, you get 25% off your box, which is what I did. And after shipping and taxes and everything, it was still less than $30. So with that, all of that long drawn out explanation, let's go ahead and get in here. Because like I said, this is my first month of receiving this box. Again, it is just a white box. I've cut it open, but I didn't dig in here, and there's a reason, because it is dig proof. It does say Happy Valentine's Day, Rebecca. My name is Rebecca. I go by Becca. That is what I prefer to be called. Either way, I love this. The fact that they take the time to do a little human interaction with your box just makes it that much better for me as a consumer buying this box. Okay, so there is a little heart sticker that's holding everything together. And then when you open that, this is what the inside of our box looks like. So there is candy in there, which I find funny. Another human touch that most of these subscription box companies don't do. Now, I will tell you, I am a fan of these sticks, but I don't like the powder. And it brings back a lot of childhood memories, which is great. So I like that little added touch right there. Guys, again, I do apologize about my voice. I do have it as quiet as I possibly can so that y'all can hear me, because I feel like I'm screaming. And the more and louder I scream, this is what comes out. So I do apologize. And thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I do greatly appreciate it. So the first thing I'm seeing in here is from Lurella. I don't see a card in here, which I don't know if it comes with one. But this is a LED compact mirror, which I find great. You can throw this in your purse and blind your husband going down the road as he's driving to check your makeup. So it is a cute little rose gold colored compact, very sleek. You open it, it does have the mirror on both sides. And then it does have the lights. Oh, and they do light up. So I don't want to blind y'all anymore with that, but I like this. This is a great idea. It is very bright, as you can see how much exactly it does light up my face. So I think this is a great thing to receive in a beauty box. This is thinking beauty. This we will actually use. The next thing I'm seeing is Floral Blush from BH Cosmetics. This is a duo cheek color. I don't own any BH Cosmetics blushes. And this is in Fiji Fun. I sound horrible. But this box got to me on February 29th. And as you can tell, I've been sick. I've had the flu. I'm still getting over it. I do feel a little better. But now I sound like this. So I did get this on the 29th. That was the reason for it being so late. Now I know with them shipping out on the 15th that doesn't give a lot of time for your box to get to you before the next month, which is something that I personally have a problem with beauty boxes, especially when I myself have a channel where I do unboxings. But it does have a small mirror, and then that is what that blush looks like. It is a very pretty blush. It is a shimmer blush. It does have 2 different colors in it. And I'm not going to swatch this just for the simple fact that I have a ton of blush open. And I'm trying to be more aware of what I have in my collection and what I'm using and what I could part with, because there are other people out there that would love to have the means to have a new blush when I have 20 of them in my drawer. Anyway, I'm trying to be more mindful of what I have and what I'm using and what I'm not. So a blush, I am a-okay with that. As you can hear, my chair is still squeaking. Then we got from Lashy Box. This is 3D Silk Lashes in the style Star. These are very pretty, fluffy looking lashes. I am getting better at putting lashes on. I know I don't wear them on video all the time quite yet, but I feel like I finally got there to where I can, which is a big step. So that's what they look like outside of the little container. They are very, very fluffy. And I like the 3D lashes. I think that they are more volume, obviously, but I personally like the 3D better. as far as lashes go. The next thing I have is from Glow Addict. This is a pink glitter. Now, I have a ton of glitter, but it is a very pretty pink glitter. This will probably go into the giveaway pile just because I have an abundance of glitter and somebody else could use this. The next thing I have is from Galactic. This is a precise eyeliner marker and it is black. That is what that looks like. Again, I have an abundance of liquid eyeliner, so I'm not gonna open this one quite yet. And then the last and final thing in here, which is what made me purchase this box, is this palette. It is the Sweet Valentine by Lurella. I don't have anything by this brand. And when I seen this spoiled, I jumped on it. It is a very pink. It is a very pink palette. And for February, I thought that it was very ingenious for a box to actually portray the holiday of Valentine's Day, which is what they did. And I like that. I like that they took the time to find a palette for that season. There is no mirror, but that does not take away from the beautifulness of this palette. These colors are just so pretty. Got your lighter pink. I know this does not look the same on camera as it does in person. This is a light pink. This is like a bubblegum pink. You have a darker pink, a maroon pink color, and then you have 2, 4, 6, 8 shimmers and 8 mattes. So I do want to, and the names are great. You have Love Story, Hugs, Passion, Date Night, True Love, Be Mine, February, Flowers. It is very Valentine themed for February, which Valentine's falls on. So I like that feature. I'm going to swatch this Be True. It is a shimmer. Love Potion, which is also a shimmer. A lot of purples this month. I'm going to do Cutie. And I'm going to do XOXO. Tag, look at that pink. Okay. So let's go ahead and swatch these. Looks pretty good to me. Oh my goodness. Okay, so there are the 2 shimmers. This purple is a little powdery, but that's okay. As you can see, it did blend right out. So yeah, so let's recap. We got the palette, we got the glitter, the lashes, the blush, the eyeliner, and the mirror for $30. My math is totally off. 2, 4, 6. Okay, so we got 6 products this month of February for a $30 box. And look, guys, even after swatching that, it's still there. So it's got some staying power. The pigment is definitely there. So yeah, I'm going to give this box another month and see what I think about it. See if the shipping, which I don't even know if I can blame it on shipping. It just takes a minute to get around to so many people. And I understand that. But at the same time, I don't know. Let me ask y'all. Does it bother you to see an older box not in the same month that it was released? Now, I will still go back and watch other people's unboxings, even if they're late. Oh, even if they're late, I will go back and watch unboxing videos of late boxes. I mean, it happens. Nobody's perfect, and y'all know that our mailmans hate us. So, that was my unboxing of the Bijou Beauty Box. Please do go over, check out Lnegz. Please do use his code. I don't have one, or I would offer that. So the next best thing is to give my little homie some extra whatever he gets, and help him out, and help out Bijou Beauty Box. I will let you know on my lips today, I'm wearing the color Matte Imagine from Profusion. And I don't know if y'all have seen these, but Wet n Wild has the new My Horoscope. I'm a Virgo, and this is the Virgo lip gloss. I'm also wearing that on my lips over the Profusion. On my eyes today, I am wearing the Kat Von D Lolita with the brown out of the Vintage Dawn from Ace Beauté, and the color Buzzkill out of the Palm Springs Too Faced palette. All of these items were out of our Boxycharm within the last couple of months. That is what I'm wearing on my eyes today, which I think came out very pretty, very subtle, very natural looking. Actually, I do still have a PR box to go ahead and unbox for y'all. I will be getting to that. Also, it is Girl Scout season. Any local Walmart, I'm sure them little girls are out there trying to sell their cookies. I have done my part. Do go out and invest in your Girl Scouts. It really does help them out. We do it every year. I obviously did not get to go purchase my own cookies this year, but it doesn't change the fact that they were purchased none the same. Alright guys, so that's my video. I appreciate you for taking the time to watch it. Again, I do apologize for my voice, but I wanted to get this out as soon as I was possibly able to. Please do like, share, comment, and subscribe. It does help the channel out. And until next time, y'all stay beautiful. Bye, guys.